forward when you land.
Whoa!
There you go. Like that. There you go. Getting there. Start pulling down on it.
Pull it down, honey.
Pull it down your belly button.
Pull.
Thank you. Pull it all the way to your belly button.
Pull it down.
Good job, Marie.
Can you pull it down? Pull. Jumping doesn't help, Captain. You gotta pull it down.
Oh, it'll come back down. When you come down, I want you to pull it down like this. See? Watch it. Pull it down.
Pull down with your arms. Pull. Can you pull down?